basically married and stuff, but just letting you know whenever he's not around you, he's basically at me every time he comes to Clarendon, and it's been going on for a while. See you guys just come off an anniversary and something. I feel away, and I don't know, I just want to make you know say your man a cheat for you.
Squad! What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and today I gonna be the start of my season. Yeah. So for all of them people who have them time and now post from what here, kindly go one side of the squad time. And right now, a problem time. Like, me fully have the energy, the vibes, me well rested, me ready. Remember, the other day, Angel pranked me like 2 or 3 times, and me no answer. No answer back, no little clap back. No little, you see me, no little defend anything, but no. As you can see, my face is very serious right now. We're going to go for the hardest prank in the book. Today, as you see in the title, I am cheating. I am cheating. Oh, we cheating. Yeah. Today, like, I know your mind blown already. You just want to see it. You want to skip the intro. No, don't skip the intro. Don't skip the intro. You need to know what's going to happen. Today, I'm going to have my side woman call my woman. Meanwhile, I lie down and beat out and whipped.
Right there.
Right, you see what I
Right
say?
there.
And make sure know, say, yo, she a confess, yes, so the man there. You see what I say? She gonna expose me. So, you ready?
Love that.
Side woman be ready, you know. You want to find an Instagram?
I'm Apple now. I don't have an Instagram. They hacked my page
Right.
September,
Mm-hmm.
and I still can't get it, so I'm
Let's
just
do that.
holding off for now.
Alright, people, so she is Apple. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime. I'm not about to cut my camera right now. I'm going to just set up myself on the bed. You see what I say? So, you have to, yeah, man, pull out the ear. We can't just do nothing, we know. You see what I say? Hope YouTube nobody come stress out my video. So, I don't want to share. I keep on my marina just in case. I'm just, nah. Let me stay in the car.
Alright,
Isn't it just for the fact say,
let it come out.
yeah, go come off and thing. So you have to start it off like pan, you know. She got lie down for Ianja man. Little bit. And Ianja favorite side is too. Yeah, right pan your son and there you go there. I'm sorry. Hey, Team Razablade no man. Team Razablade no man. Alright. Airplane mode because too much people are coming from the other day. And screen recording because we need enough to see Ianja face. You ready?
Yeah.
Sure. Get a big laugh, you know, laugh out, every laugh in the
Hi. So I know you guys are basically married and stuff, but just letting you know whenever he's not around you, he's basically at me every time he comes to Clarendon, and it's been going on for a while. See you guys just come off an anniversary and something. I feel away, and I don't know, I just want to make you know say your man a cheat for you. And I know I say to all the close and all that, but I did want him. Me did want him. I couldn't say no. But we just want to know say him there and something. Him knock out good while now. So I finally get in him phone. So me I give a call and tell you. Let's wake him up, but I'm tired. I'm gonna tell him to call you back when you wake up.
Yo. What you doing for? What you take up the phone for?
Hang up.
Yeah, I'm up here. What the fuck you hang up for? You nervous? You never laugh?
Yes, I swear.
Alright, Kaba, come point it. Kaba, come point it. Stay in that camera frame. Sit down. Why the fuck? Why you have a phone for?
Because I want to tell her a good while now it a go on and I feel like I need to tell her.
Why you why you even what wrong with you? Why you take up my phone?
Because they tell me say you have a day with me and you have me soon go on vacation what and all of that.
Marina.
I didn't have to tell her. I didn't have to tell her.
Yeah, no woman wicked as fuck though. Babe, I just
Right, time to wake up.
baby, I break up with me and not even know me laying on the bed I do. Babe, I sleep, me I sleep. Babe, I sleep over on my bridge in the yard and I just wake up and babe, I sleep over. Oh, babe, oh. What you doing fucking phone for?
Because I didn't want her to know. She didn't have to know.
What you got up? Like, what flying in your head?
She didn't have to know.
I feel know why. Why? Are you
saying
afraid?
if you carry me out
Are you-
and soon I go out for the year, I want to go out for another one we can
So
go.
just because I don't carry a guard at the hotel, me tell us a few time I come.
Long time I hear that.
Yo, you never. Yo, give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
No.
Give me my phone, miss.
No. What's up?
Babe, here, Angel. Here, listen to me, sir. Angel. Babe, I don't know like what it look like. I was sleep. Babe, give me a chance to talk no woman, be there asleep. Babe, I was sleeping. Why you even? Babe, you're not hearing me. I say you just attack and all listen. I'm a virgin sister coming and a ramp around with me. If I tired, I'm coming here to come sleep. Me tired. So. Bro, me never get so much sleep like me did need. I'm a virgin yard, me the animal sister come and ramp on me. Why you stay so apple?
She did have to know.
You can't. And you're really a believer? What? How she getting on my phone? No must. Sure. Yeah. Where you leave go? Watch out. You see all you do just eggs up now, you know.
She go on.
What do you mean by make she go on? You know see I'm a woman that.
She go on.
Oh. Bro, I mean, yeah, they just.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, miss.
Why? Give me my phone.
No.
Give me my phone.
No.
Yo, give me back my phone.
No. Go for your stuff them.
Go for with stuff. Man, that you want all of them, bro.
Go for your stuff them.
And you really have...
Give me.
Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
Give me
Yo,
the
me
phone
say,
now.
yo, give me my phone, man, woman. Give me my phone, woman.
Left
Yo,
your
yo,
phone now.
yo, you know what? You know what I want it. Yo, give me my phone. Yo, give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
Oh.
Yeah, Jerry, like, give me my phone.
Say
Give me
no.
my phone. Give me my phone and stop.
No.
You know, I don't put my hand on your
She
miss.
did have to know. She did
I have to know, say what? You just
She did have to know.
up to that, man. There's no information there. Babe,
We're coming for it tomorrow.
we're not coming no.
We're coming for
Yeah,
it
leave me stuff,
tomorrow.
man. Leave me. Babe, listen. Babe, listen. Babe, listen. Baby, not. How am I gonna defend myself if I can't even talk? Bro, me I tell you, say yo, I'm a virgin sister come play a role with me. Babe, why you? Me go through so. Oh. Babe, we don't have a relationship. I'm a virgin sister. Yo, me fling my phone and bust in your head, you know, man. You don't even know. Yo, all me there and tell you, say, I know my woman, I'm a virgin sister, and she a fasting me. You that ready for
Tell her the truth.
So tap your knives over there, sir. Tap your knives and make me start getting loud. How are you, man? Babes, don't listen to where. Me tell you, Angel, me tell you, oh, you know, so me go to bed early. Oh, you know, me sleep the whole night. Baby, you know, tell us. So you call me junker though. You call me junker. What getting off your head?
She did have to know.
Oh, you know me, I do not. Oh, like, what you say to her? What you say to her?
Tell her the truth. Say alongside we are doing it.
Fucking truth, you got to wait her. Wait
Tell
till
her
I
the truth.
You know, see, oh, nah, you that though. You just listen to me, I say. You be able to listen. Oh my Jesus. You know, see, you're not giving no chance to defend myself, you know, sir. What you say? You just have to break up with a man because one girl to come before. Babe, just relax, man. Just relax. Me never in a no grave bed asleep. I'm a breaking.
Excuse me, take up the candle.
What the fuck you gonna say that thing to me on the phone? Fucking cuss, you idiot. Yo, so no, man. Angel, just listen with me. Alright, I don't have nothing to say. I already about 6 months now. But I don't have nothing more to say on top of that. Yo, I don't go back home too. Yo.
You need her permission to say that prank, brother.
Why?
She ready.
She ready to leave?
She ready to go.
Woo! She was pissed though, man. I like.
She commended you though to use condom.
Whoa, like our, what you call it? Like our gold medal, but just get.
Bruh.
Damn. Yo, funny thing is that some might screw the card, some might, cause you know they have asked a fee from, but her face is there. So hold on, if she say she don't have to, she not take no card from me, what the freak? Woman, hold on. Call her straight. Oh shoot. Make sure.
She block your head?
I don't know.
No, she's on the phone. She's talking to somebody.
Wait, should I call back? Hold on.
You're recording?
Just 6 months the other girl I talk about. No, 6 months. Are you here talk to you now?
You want me to talk now?
Just a 6 months the other girl really I talk about. In our relationship. We just go celebrate our anniversary. We have time. Wait. I am girl I talk 6 months.
I say, I need 6 months of food first.
I in a 6 months a full one.
Yo, just move from us with your foolishness. The boy you call me wicked man. You want me? Will you tell her? You could make me. You could make me tell her say me I do me wrongs them this. You could just me make me.
No. A long time you say I don't talk to her.
Yeah, boy, you know some more to tell you. Oh, you know more to tell you. God, Jesus.
6 months now, and if she never did tell me, me would have never know. But you're a new girl that, so make sure things would work the way I work
you just a jump to conclusion. Yeah. Baby, just a baby. No, you cannot stop giving me new girl. Because right now, you get a wicked prank in her. You get a wicked prank in her.
Bruh.
Stop telling me about new girl. We are going to give me new. Watch her hang up. Yo, what I'm calling her back quick.
Brother, she ready to leave.
A prank season. She not answer. She just begs. She get called. Team Razablade no man. But now I have to call her till she answer. But what you give me, woman? You're bright, you man. But look my own. A joke. I'm kidding. I'm not get no dinner tonight. My stuff them about the outside. Oh. Okay, so you have me as a cheater. This is very. This is what I'm going to. So you have me as a bonner man. Okay.
Drunko.
Junko, you have me as a Junko too.
Yeah.
Your cat. No, the whole of the people ever say here when I say I stop make Junko, me, which is me, feel like hummingbird. I'm not argue with you, you know. You're not going to make me feel bad over prank you. Let's go. Which, let me see if you fling out no their roommate. Box.
I told you, bro.
I love you. I love you. You. And that's why I know you never gonna wish me because you curious my code. Stop it nice and stop going. So I beg you. Stop hey, yo, watch it now. Team Razablade. Team Razablade. Team Razablade. See there. Squad.